we're gonna do a lucky pack opening. This lucky pack is from... Who the hell did I order this from? Okay, I remember. It's from Soufflé song, or as one of my calm friends so dearly calls it, Shuffle song. This lucky pack had some mild controversy because when the lucky pack was first announced from Soufflé song, who is a reseller of, you know, different Taobao shops, the way they phrased their lucky pack advertisement changed. So they put their advertisement out, it had one phrasing, then a little while later they put it out again and the phrasing changed slightly. So basically it changed from an and to an or. It said like, you'll get a skirt, blouse, and accessories. Like 1 to 2 skirt, blouse, and accessories. And then they changed it to or, so people were like, oh my god, are we gonna get like just a dress from this? Are we only potentially gonna get accessories for this? Like, that's super lame. And there was 2 price points. One was just a $30 pack, which is so cheap for a lucky pack for someone just starting out, trying to build their wardrobe up, and especially if you're not sure what you might want. It's a good way to test it out. By the way, I am filming this on my phone, so if the audio's bad, I'm sorry, but I will try with my camera next time as well, so forgive me if it's bad. Oh my god, my bunny necklace was like off the whole time. So there was a $30 pack and a $50 pack. I went for the $50 pack, and it said it had 1 to 3 dresses and slash or accessory and slash or blouse. But yeah, that was actually back for Black Friday. The e-packet shipping was $16, so my total came to $65.99. I ordered it on November 20th, and then it arrived on December 3rd. So about 13 days, which is not that bad. I wasn't like really wanting or needing anything from their site. I kind of just wanted to get it because it had been a while since I ordered anything from them. And I was just curious what their lucky pack was for that cheap a price. They have a lot of dresses that are kind of like gothic-y, kind of aristocrat. They have some sweet stuff, but I just assumed I'd be getting some gothic thing and that I'd probably just be reselling it. But you never know. I really have not been doing lucky packs recently because my wardrobe is pretty set up. My closet is full. I'm at the point where I'm hanging things on walls and doors because it's just so full. So I'm just trying to refine what I do have, like sell the stuff that I'm like, well, I don't like this. I like it, but it doesn't feel like me. This feels more like me. And just refining it at this point versus like building and building. So when this lucky pack arrived, okay, here's the thing. I usually have so many things on order being shipped to my house that I just don't really keep track of shipping. I'm not like checking the status every day, like, oh my god, it's gonna be here tomorrow. Like, that's pretty rare if I do that for anything. I just let it come in. For me, it's like Christmas or birthday every day when I check my mail almost, or like every other day, it seems. This package just shows up. I take a peek inside, and I'm like, what is this? I didn't order anything that is in here. Is this a wrong order? What's going on? And then I realized what it was, so I tried to close it up quickly. I literally just put it in the storage bin, and it was like, okay, whenever I'm ready to do the video, I'll just pull it out and look at it more closely then. So I only saw the items like wrapped up still, and I know they're like all black, so they're probably all gothic. I don't know, but we're gonna find out what they look like. Oh yeah, they had something on the website where when you put the order for the lucky pack in, you could put some notes in. They didn't say put style or sizing notes. I don't think I told them my size or anything, so I don't know if this is gonna fit at all. All I did was mention that I do like some goth and kind of Renaissance styles, classical, and cute, sweet, so that's like a huge range. You could give me anything with that. Oh, I did mention to them I was going to make a review of the lucky pack. I didn't know if that would like increase my odds for what I might get. I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. So, and I also did mention that I prefer JSKs over OPs because I got some broad shoulders that don't fit most like Asian sizes for, you know, dresses. I usually have to get like the largest size blouse in a Chinese size, so I mentioned that. Other than that, that's all I told him. And here's what came in the mail for me. So, opened it up. Oh shit, I'm missing something. There it is. Oh god. So, this looks like a necklace or something. It looks pretty cheap. Like maybe it was only a few dollars and they just kind of threw it in. This looks to be a blouse. We'll investigate that more. And classic black and white, I don't want to say Ida, old school looking coloring here. Let's start with the necklace. So it just says fashion jewelry. I've definitely seen this logo before on like other Taobao stuff. It's just like a common, I don't know, plain jewelry brand, if it's even a brand. It looks a little small for my neck, but the chain does have an extender. I'm just a little closer. So yeah, this looks like it was a couple bucks. Maybe they had to throw this in because they changed. Like, it's fun. I don't know. It's cute. It looks like you got black drippies. Definitely not something I would pick or order for myself. But there you go. Let's move on to this blouse. So it's very light, like mesh kind of sheer. It's a crop top style that you would wear under a JSK. It has, is the sleeve stretchy at the end? Yeah, so, oof. This is like the littlest thing will snag it and pull some of the lace, I feel like. I'm almost hesitant just putting my hand through, and I have like a ring on. So I'm wearing like long sleeves, but it's like 3/4 length sleeve. You could probably like scrunch it up a little to get some puff there. I think that would fit most people, like most average sizes, medium to large, like Western medium to large, because look, like it stretches out this far. And then the bottom part also does stretch. So, I mean, for if you just don't have like a simple crop top blouse, I have a few of these. They're good for summer because they don't go all the way down like a normal blouse. They cover just enough under the JSK, and usually when they're made of like, it is a soft lace. I've definitely gotten some blouses where it's just so itchy, like it's awful. Like these crop tops can be really itchy, but this one's quite soft, even though it has kind of a cheaper feel, but it's not too bad. I think something I don't like are like how the sleeves are hemmed. To me that looks kind of cheap, because see, it's just kind of wrinkly and like, I don't know. Again, not something I would go out of my way to order for myself. Alright, now this dress. Let's see if it's an OP, JSK, or what. Okay, so it came with, I'm seeing a detachable bow, waist ties. These are probably back like corset ties. The bag says Soufflé song. That's the only bag that actually had their name on it. Oh. So it's fully lined, which I've definitely seen JSKs that aren't fully lined. Basically the straps, they have, okay, see, this is weird. I've seen straps that have a button attachment, so you can attach it this way and then have the JSK hold up like that, but there's only one buttonhole. So there's only one place you could one length you could button this to. So why even make it, I mean, I guess you could hand make a buttonhole, but like, then why? Why don't they do that? They should put two little, see? This is the only length it can be, like as it comes, but you could add a buttonhole here, you could add a buttonhole here if you want the straps like longer or shorter. But not everyone is good at sewing. Like, that's something I could probably do fine. I could sit there and just do a little buttonhole. But not everyone wants to sit there and do that. But, you know, this is not that bad. It's not, okay, this is not something I would order for myself. It's very old school. It has a zipper on the side. It is this style of zipper, like the hidden zipper. Sometimes those are annoying to zip up and down. This one's pretty, like, seems pretty fine. The lace is very soft on it as well. Like, it's a little weird how it's sewn in the front though. Like, it all kind of comes to the center. I guess you're supposed to put your little bow here to give it like a focal point, or you could put other things there to give it a focal point. Alrighty. So, this looks like it would definitely fit bust-wise. Oh, it's kind of cool old school. I don't really have any old school pieces. What do you guys think? Anyway guys, let me know what you thought of the Lucky Pack. I will probably be listing the blouse on Lace Market for cheap, and I want to do a giveaway for sure in the future with some other things that I have, so stay tuned. And remember, there's no such thing as perfect. Bye!